point for another day. You give your all, now it's time to get away from all the this and that and that and this. Is a matter of fact, it is what it is, 'cause it's your day. It's your day. It's your day. It's your way. It's your say. It's your say. It's your somebody tell you your dreams can't be realized? There's a place for you, all you do is live and fantasize. So you don't have to worry about competing when you're just competing with yourself. And there's no one else that you ever wanna be but yourself. Real people saying real things. Real people saying what they feel. Real people with experience. So you set out on a journey to prove them wrong. Prove them wrong. Prove them wrong. Prove them wrong.
for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this.